How to fix your Android phone's battery draining too fast. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix if the battery is relatively draining too fast on your Android phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, there could be a couple of reasons why your battery is draining on your Android phone. The first reason could be due to third-party applications which are just consuming too many battery in the background when they constantly run apps such as ShareIt and the apps such as Cleaner apps and so on. They actually constantly run in the background and they drain your battery in the first place when they promise to actually improve your battery life. So it's really an irony right there. The other reason could also be your battery life itself. For example, if you're using a relatively old smartphone or if you just overcharge your phone, and there are a couple of things which you can do. If it's hardware related, then I would recommend you to first of all simply take it to a nearby repair shop. However, if it's software related issues, then we will discuss those in this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and then open up settings. On any Android phone or any Android versions these days, you basically have the battery option within the settings app by default. You do not need to actually download any of the third-party applications. There are a bunch of things which you can do to optimize your own battery in the first place. So in order to do that, what you want to do is scroll down, and in my case I will tap on the option called battery and device care, as you could see. Now basically, sometimes on your battery and device care issue, if there are any type of apps which are actually occupying many memory and battery in the background, your system is going to detect that and it will basically say you to fix it by actually putting those apps in a deep clean or hibernation mode. Now for example, in my case, if I go to battery, and you'll be able to see a list of all these apps which are actually consuming batteries in the background. So for example, you can also turn on power saving mode if you want. You could go ahead and select background usage limits as well. Now low power mode is actually a really great feature if you want to preserve battery for the whole day and if you're sure that you'll not get it charged anywhere. I'll basically recommend you to use the low power mode. And another feature which I want to describe you is only available on Samsung devices at the moment officially, and that is the maximum charge battery limit. On Samsung One UI, how this works is that you can actually go to more battery settings, and then you can tap on protect battery at the bottom, and this to extend the lifespan of your battery, limit the maximum charge to 85%. So instead of actually going over to 100% to maximize your charge, it is only going to limit to 85%, which is going to increase eventually the lifespan of your battery. And that is also one of the really great features if you don't want to actually deteriorate your battery too fast. So go ahead and turn it on if you want. The other thing which I would also show you, and which most people won't say you, is that if you're using your Android phone in a relatively lighter theme, for example, in my case you can see I'm in a darker theme, but if you're using on a lighter theme, you have to understand that light themes actually emits more of the light from your Android screen, which as a result is going to consume more battery. So instead, what I would recommend you do is just simply search for the dark mode feature on your Android phone. If you do not have a dark mode feature by default, go download some third-party applications to actually color invert it, or just anything like that in order to turn on dark mode on your Android phone, and that would most likely also help preserve your battery, as it is going to emit very less brightness and very less nits from your Android phone screen. And hopefully these were some of the ways on how you can preserve your battery life and how you can fix if the battery is draining too fast on your Android phone. We hope the video was really insightful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.